Hey there, long time no video. I know, it's been crazy. So, right now, I'm making homemade ketchup. Fun stuff. I'll have to keep you posted on how that goes. Oh, let me get my stand up where I can kind of, as you can tell, a little bit different background here. So quick little update. This is why you haven't seen any new YouTube videos from me the last couple months. And sorry, you can hear my little robot vacuum going in the background, but we moved. So we bought a new house. It's more of like a farmhouse. And so it was an older house. So we are literally remodeling the entire house. We remodeled quite a bit of it before we moved in, and then we moved in, and now we're still doing updates and remodels and things like that while we're living here. So needless to say, our hands have been full. We've got a lot going on, but I will get back to doing some more regular YouTube videos and my Thrive Thursday videos, then recipes coming soon. We haven't got to the kitchen yet in the new house. The kitchen remodel is going to be a lot bigger project, but oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I can't wait to share with you some of the DIY stuff we're doing in this kitchen. It's going to be awesome. Awesome. I'm so excited. So we'll definitely do some videos when we do all that. And we'll share with you so you can do some of the stuff. Let's just say right now, this new house, the upgrades we've put into this house have been over, what was it, $32,000 worth of remodels and upgrades and everything like that. And we've only been out of pocket just over $4,000. It's been awesome. So as a little teaser here, I'm going to slice a video together. I'll edit one and I'll show you some before and after pictures, kind of where we're at, and share some of our amazing deals that we were able to find so that we were able to do these remodel rooms, like seriously, pennies on the dollar. It was awesome. And we're not done yet. We got lots more coming. It's going to be an ongoing. Our yard's going to have a lot of stuff. This house has a lot of potential, but it needed a lot of work done as well. And we weren't afraid to put in the work. So the only thing that's holding me back, the kitchen videos. Again, my kitchen is not remodeled, and it is not, I mean, look how outdated. It is not super functional. I mean, it works, everything works, but it's not the best layout for functionality. Nova just knocked something down the stairs. How you doing over there, little vacuum? Yeah, there was a pole by the stairs. She knocked it down. So anyhow, I'm just on the fence with some of the cooking videos just because I don't really have a setup in this kitchen. So I'll have to see how to go about that. But I will share some of our little, I'll do a little slideshow here of some of our before and afters. Like I said, we're still not done. There's still plenty to do, but we're making progress. So please like and subscribe. Keep an eye out, and there's still all the previous videos I've done on there. Lots of Thrive Life recipes, lots of other DIY stuff and things, and there's plenty more where that came from. There's more coming. For this slideshow, we're going to start with the front room to show you some of the progress we made. This is a view from our front door, and this house, so you know, was built in 1972. Nothing had been updated except for the guest bathroom. We're guessing was updated around late 90s, early 2000s to make it handicap accessible. Other than that, no. So this room had wallpaper on 2 walls. Luckily, I had some good little helpers there helping me get the wallpaper off, because that was a chore and very tedious and a big mess. A big mess. Did I just say how much it was a big mess? I'm definitely grateful it was only on 2 walls. Once we got the wallpaper off, we scrubbed the walls down, got all the glue off, and then we were ready to start painting. We got some Paint, so we found a color we wanted to do throughout the whole house, and it's actually a light gray, but it looks blue in this picture. Luckily, I had some good helpers, not only my girls, but a few friends came and helped me, and I was so grateful for all the help we had. And we were on kind of a time crunch, so we were definitely rushing to get this stuff done to move in. Our next project was this stone entry. We wanted to cut it back to just be right inside the front door. Yeah, stone, pulling that up was a beast. This is some good friends of ours. We had help again. So grateful for their help, and it was awesome. So we were able to cut that stone back to just the front entry. Then we took up the carpet, and my husband installed the wood flooring. This wood flooring, we were able to get a killer deal at Lowe's. I'll share that, some of our deals in another post, but let me just say we did all the flooring for pennies on the dollar. We used some of the reclaimed barn wood from another part of the house and made those cute little curtains. Next, our family room. Now, this was originally the master bedroom, but because there was no master bathroom and we were creating a master suite, we turned the master bedroom into a family room. So this is how it was before, which of course we pulled up again that old carpet, got some painting done with some more help, lots of helpers, and pulled up the carpet, got our paint done. And this room didn't need a whole lot done other than we did take out one of the closets and instead turned it into like a nook for our reading chair. Once we had the closet out, the flooring, we replaced the carpet, put some new carpet in, had a nice paint job done, and this room was pretty much done. We, again, had some other friends help us. I was so grateful for all the help. I grabbed this entertainment center for $200, and I repainted it, and I absolutely love it. It goes perfect in there. Next, our master suite. So originally at the end of this hallway, there was a hall closet and a bedroom on the right and a bedroom on the left. And so instead, we turned it into a master suite because I really wanted a master bathroom. And so what we did was basically took down the closet and the wall that divided these two rooms, and so that we could put in a bigger to make the one bedroom bigger for the master bedroom. And then the other bedroom's a little bit smaller, but it's now our master bathroom. So this is kind of what it looked like before, again, with the old carpet. And so we pulled up that old carpet, and then we were ready for demolition time. This was a pretty big project. This was probably the bane of my husband's existence for a while because it was a big project. Under that carpet, look at that linoleum. Check that out. I don't know what the deal was with the linoleum. This house, being an old house, has had so many mysteries like that. Things we've come across that we just shake our heads and laugh. It's all you can do because we're like, why? Where did that come from? I don't know if there was a kitchen in there at one point. Who knows? But then we started doing demo. We took down the hall closet and that wall between the two bedrooms. The problem was this main wall is a load-bearing wall. So what we had to do, because that is a load-bearing wall, my husband had some friends come in and they helped him instead install a beam that would help support the roof and carry the load. So there's the beam, and yes, the beam will be visible in our bedroom, but that's okay. I'd rather a beam than a wall. So I'm okay with that. And then we still wanted a closet and needed a closet, so he moved in and made a new wall for the closet. It's going to be very small, but hey, at least we have a master bathroom now, so I'm happy. And then I installed this master bathroom flooring myself, actually. Again, this is another great deal that we got from Lowe's. And so we got this nice little wood flooring in there, and then new carpet for the master bedroom. And then we still need to put in a door here. This will be the door that just goes to the master suite, basically. And this is, we got a nice vanity for it, and our teeny tiny closet that we just, I guess, have to get rid of clothes. And then we have our vanity in our toilet, and loving it. This is our guest bathroom. So this was the only room that really looks like it had some updates, and they made it handicap accessible in the shower. So all we had to do was a little paint and add a few cute little accessories. So that's what I did. I found a really cute idea on Pinterest I absolutely loved, and I just copycatted it. I said, that's what I want. So I found the chevron curtain and the rug, and we just mimicked that idea, and I love the bathroom. We get a lot of compliments on it, and it was easy and super cute. And I did a few things, like I painted these little lamp shades there for the light, but nothing major. Wasn't a big project. Next, we have the boys' room. Now, this was a beast. This was a project. This was originally like a family room or a den. It's in the basement, and all this wood, it was so dark. It was such a dark, it was like a cave, and you're already in the basement. It was just super dark. Now, one wall of the barn wood was fine, but I didn't want it on two major walls of this. Plus, you have the lava rock that's hideous, but we'll take care of that down the road. So what we did, we pulled off all that barn wood off the one side, which we repurposed in some, like the curtains upstairs. And then we had all these holes in the drywall. We probably should have re-drywalled it, but at this point, the boys were coming back from Alaska, and we just wanted to have a place they could move in and have their room. So we patched it up, painted it, and then we installed some wood flooring. And so this was my niece and two friends, and I installed wood flooring in this whole room. It took us about 4 hours, and it looks gorgeous. We love it. We have the one wall that is still the barn wood, and the other walls are all painted. And their room turned out really good. This are my two teenage boys, my two teens. They share this room, and it's the biggest room of the house. Then the girls' room. Now, theirs room had 80s written all over it. Look at that paneling. Again, this is in a basement. It's dark. They had a huge closet, but the paneling and the carpet, and then they had this ugly drop ceiling, insulated, creepy thing. I don't know. Their room needed a whole remodel. So we pulled up all the carpet, took all the paneling off the wall, took down that weird ceiling stuff. And we had to take down the ceiling anyway to access plumbing for the master bathroom, so that worked out good. And then basically we just painted, and we added some beadboard. The bottom 2/3 of the wall has beadboard. We painted their closet cute, added a little chandelier in there. And then we put this beadboard on the bottom 2/3, painted the top third this minty green, and then we added beadboard to the ceiling, which we also painted the same green as the top, and then they got a cute little chandelier. The laundry room. Laundry room didn't have a whole lot done to it. It didn't need a whole lot. It's a laundry room. So it was pretty much just this cement unfinished room. So all I did was I got a clearance bucket of paint at Home Depot. It was a minty green, and I painted the cement walls, and then I installed some of this wood flooring in. This was actually about 4 boxes, 4 different colors of wood flooring I mixed and matched, and I love how it turned out. It turned out really cute, the colors and everything like that. So not too bad for our laundry room. That whole laundry room cost me less than $30 probably for that remodel. Pantry, again, not a whole lot we had to do. This is the before. We just painted the shelves. They were just kind of old and gross. The outside, before, during, and after. So one of the things we did was paint these railings. I don't know why they weren't painted originally, but we painted those. And then in the backyard, we actually had a ton of weeds. This wasn't even as bad as it was at first, but got rid of a lot of the weeds, and then we installed some grass. So I love grass, and it's coming along. We still have a lot to do next spring for the yard, but here's our grass area. We actually have more than this right now, but this picture was taken a while ago. So there's our progress.